Welcome to being financially that life insurance is only valuable for its death benefits. However, what if I were to reveal to you that the ultra-wealthy use it as a clandestine strategy to cultivate tax-free wealth, generate cash flow, and even finance their entrepreneurial ventures? Let's delve into how the affluent employ life insurance to sustain their wealth indefinitely. For most, life insurance serves as a safety net in the event of unexpected tragedies. But for the wealthy, it is a tool for building and preserving their financial empires. By utilizing life insurance policies that accumulate cash value over time, the ultra-wealthy can harness the power of tax-free growth. Unlike traditional investment vehicles, these policies offer a unique opportunity to amass wealth without the burden of taxation. Moreover, life insurance can be leveraged to create a consistent stream of cash flow. Through policy loans and withdrawals, the affluent can access funds without triggering taxable events. This unconventional approach enables them to seize investment opportunities, expand their portfolios, and establish additional revenue streams. By strategically utilizing life insurance, the wealthy can perpetuate their financial success and secure a lasting legacy for future generations. Furthermore, life insurance can be utilized as a means to finance ambitious business endeavors. By collateralizing policies or borrowing against their cash value, the affluent can obtain the capital needed to launch new ventures, expand existing enterprises, or weather financial storms. This innovative strategy empowers the wealthy to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams without depleting their personal assets or relying on external sources of funding. In essence, life insurance is not just a tool for protection, it is a strategic weapon for the ultra-wealthy to amass tax-free wealth, generate cash flow, and fund their businesses. By understanding and implementing the principles of life insurance, you too can unlock the secrets to financial success and join the ranks of the rich who stay wealthy forever. Welcome to a world where your financial aspirations know no bounds. Life insurance is a topic that many people think they understand, but often have misconceptions about. Most individuals believe that life insurance is only for when you die, providing a payout to your loved ones to cover funeral expenses and loss of income. While this is true to some extent, there is more to life insurance than meets the eye. There are two main types of life insurance: term life and whole life. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. It offers a straightforward payout in the event of death during the term. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, covers you for your entire life and includes a cash value component that can grow over time. This cash value can be accessed through loans or withdrawals to supplement your retirement income or cover unexpected expenses. One common misconception about life insurance is that it is only beneficial when you pass away. While protecting your loved ones financially is a crucial aspect of life insurance, it also has wealth-building potential. The cash value component of whole life insurance can serve as a tax-advantaged savings vehicle, helping you grow your wealth over time. Unfortunately, many regular people overlook the wealth-building potential of life insurance. They focus solely on the death benefit and fail to see the long-term financial benefits that whole life insurance can offer. By incorporating life insurance into your financial plan, you can not only protect your family, but also build wealth for the future. In conclusion, life insurance is more than just a safety net for your loved ones when you pass away. It can also be a valuable tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. By understanding the differences between term life and whole life insurance and debunking common misconceptions, you can make informed decisions about your insurance coverage and financial goals. So don't miss out on the wealth-building potential of life insurance. Start exploring your options today. Welcome to an introduction to cash value life insurance, where we will explore the key features of Whole life and indexed universal life (IUL) policies. Both whole life and IUL policies offer a unique benefit. A portion of your premium builds cash value over time. This means that as you continue to make premium payments, a portion of that money is set aside and grows over time. One of the main advantages of cash value life insurance is that the cash value grows tax-deferred. This means that you won't have to pay taxes on the growth of your cash value each year, allowing it to accumulate more quickly. Furthermore, the cash value in your policy can be accessed tax-free. This means that if you ever need to access the cash value for any reason, such as for emergencies or retirement, you can do so without having to worry about paying taxes on the money you withdraw. In conclusion, cash value life insurance, specifically whole life, and indexed universal life policies offer the unique benefit of building cash value over time. This cash value grows tax-deferred and can be accessed tax-free when needed. It's a valuable tool for both protection and savings, providing financial security for you and your loved ones. Have you ever wondered how the wealthy leverage their resources to grow their wealth even further? One strategy they often utilize is the infinite banking concept. By borrowing against their own life insurance policy, they can fund investments, business ventures, and real estate acquisitions. The unique aspect of this strategy is that the money in the policy continues to earn interest even while it's being borrowed. Essentially, their policy acts as a private bank, offering flexible repayment terms and the opportunity to leverage their wealth for further financial gain. Moreover, when it comes to retirement planning, the wealthy opt for tax-free income by using policy loans instead of taxable withdrawals. This enables them to avoid capital gains, taxes, dividend taxes, and even Social Security taxation. By strategically leveraging their life insurance policies, they can maximize their retirement income and minimize their tax liabilities, allowing them to enjoy a more financially secure future. In addition, estate planning and legacy building play a crucial role in the wealth management strategies of the affluent. By passing wealth tax-free to their heirs through trusts and life insurance, they can ensure that their hard-earned assets are protected and preserved for future generations. This approach not only helps them avoid estate taxes, but also safeguards their generational wealth, allowing their legacy to endure for years to come. In conclusion, the wealthy understand the power of leveraging their resources through innovative financial strategies like the infinite banking concept, tax-free retirement income, and estate planning techniques. By making smart financial decisions and utilizing their assets effectively, they can create a lasting impact on their wealth, their heirs, and their legacy. So why not follow in their footsteps and explore how you too can leverage your wealth for greater financial success? When it comes to securing your financial future, it's important to start small and explore your options. One way to do this is by looking into indexed universal life (IUL) or whole life insurance policies with riders that accelerate cash value. These policies can provide a steady stream of income for you and your loved ones as they accumulate cash value over time. However, it's crucial to work with a fee-only financial advisor or a fiduciary insurance planner who can provide unbiased advice and guidance. This ensures that you are getting the best policy for your individual needs, rather than being sold a policy solely for its death benefit. By working with a professional who is focused on your financial well-being, you can feel confident in your decision to invest in an IUL or whole life policy with riders that accelerate cash value. So take the time to explore your options and seek out expert advice to secure your financial future. Don't settle for just any policy. Work with someone who has your best interests at heart. Are you looking for a powerful tool to multiply your money, protect your assets, and build a lasting legacy? Look no further than life insurance. That's right. Life insurance isn't just for protection. It's a strategy the wealthy have been using for years to accelerate their wealth and secure their financial future. By leveraging a wealth-building policy, you can make your money work harder and smarter. Imagine being able to grow your wealth while also ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of in the event of the unexpected. That's the power of a well-structured life insurance policy. If you want to learn more about how this strategy can transform your financial outlook, comment below for a full walkthrough of an actual wealth-building policy example. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain advanced wealth tips and insights. And be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable information on how you can take control of your financial future. It's time to explore the possibilities and discover the potential of life insurance as a tool for wealth creation.